So I wanted to put together a short screencast-o-matic video. And so here is the screencast-o-matic website, and to start this thing you can see it. I don't know if you can see my probably can't, but on my screen I have this outline, and all you do is hit start recording. It goes to this website, and then you launch the recorder. I'm not logged in. I don't have an account with these guys, although I would like to purchase the full-blown version. I think it's like $15 a year. I just haven't got to that point yet. In addition, I wanted to just I thought I'd do a quick lecture and show you OneNote as well. And so here is OneNote, and I'm an electronics professor, so I'm going to do a simple lecture on simple DC circuit. So we've got a 10-volt supply and then a couple of resistors, and I'm writing on my 2-in-1 tablet with my stylus. My stylus has a couple neat features. One button I can do a simple erase like that. Another button I can grab stuff like that, and I can copy it, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But I've got R1 equal to 5 ohms, R2 equal to 10 ohms. And I'm going to do what's called a voltage divider, and I'm going to look for V2. So this may be a voltage divider example that I do in my class, and we'll be discussing this with my students, of course. V2 is equal to E times R2 over R2 plus R1. And there's my formula. And so this would be 10 times 10, and R1 plus R2 is 15. And if I do that calculation correctly, I think that turns out to be, let's see here, I'd have 2 and 3, so 2/3 of 10 is 6.67, I believe. And then I could also calculate my source current if I wanted to. From Ohm's law, I'd say that IS was simply E over RT, where RT is R1 plus R2, so it's E equal to R1 plus R2. That would be equal to 10 times 5 plus 10, or 10/15, and I get 0.67 amps. And like I said, if I want to illustrate something a little bit more, I can hit delete there, and I use my keyboard a lot, so I use Control Z as an undo, and that actually comes up quite a bit. I make a lot of writing mistakes, so I just hit a Control Z and it all goes away. Or I can also highlight and then click and hold, I think, with my stylus, and copy comes up, and then I could hit Control V if I wanted to, and then I could move it around as I'd like to. So there is my simple demo of OneNote and Screencast-O-Matic.